Welcome to Cebu Premier Security Agency. Your security is our priority. Security. We all have used this word a lot. But what exactly means thinking out of the box? Our ability to discover new dimensions, or just finding smart security solutions? We feel it's the vision of finding rhythm between security and high-quality services. It's all about expanding our visions to make the world a safer place, where every community, businesses, and individuals' right of being safe is protected, and empowered to see more possibilities. Every client we serve is secured. Who we are and what we do? Cebu Premier Security Agency is a Cebu City-based security agency. Our security guard services ranges from providing security guards to residential communities, construction sites and land development, water parks and beaches, large corporations, business process outsourcing in IT parks, and manufacturing industries. We are committed to providing the best quality of service. Our security officers are well trained to perform quality services in many areas of concern to clients. We are committed to providing the best customer service possible. In order to meet this promise, we vow to only hire friendly, positive people that share our core values, passion for helping others, and obsession with customer service. When you place your trust with us, here's what you can expect in return. Dependable. Your peace of mind is our bottom line. We strive to fulfill our clients' vision by building a professional team with integrity, honesty, and openness, by creating shared success for our employees and clients. Responsive. We strive to meet and go beyond your expectations. We have highly trained staff available that implement security measures around retail, commercial, and industrial sites. Reachable. Local support from our main office located right at the heart of Cebu City. Contact us 24/7. Custom services. We tailor our programs to perfectly fit your needs, making sure we provide a flexible and reliable security guard services at all times. Our mission. Cebu Premier Security Agency is a service entity organized to safeguard the welfare of both citizens and establishments alike in a society where threats to safety and security are present. We are driven to be responsive to dynamic clientele requirements and ever-changing business environment. Apart from that, we aim to foster eminently skilled and competent workforce to constantly deliver the highest degree of care and diligence required by the profession. Our vision. To achieve sustained competitive advantage in the industry through service differentiation, strong client relationships, and continuous improvement. Whether you need manned security guarding, or guidance on any aspects of commercial or domestic security, call our friendly team at +63 960 858 548 or send us an email at info@cebupremier.com for a free consultation. We will help you decide on the best security solution to help protect you and your business. To know more about us, please visit our website www.cebupremiersecurity.com and do business with us for a great ride that will lead to an even peaceful and better future. We look forward to doing business with you soon. Stay safe and well, because we care. Thank you.